Hello, so we are back with some update on the old M560 or older. This one is from 25 and the new one. This old one has the orange white sticker on it and it was usually with the firmware version 1.5. This one has the black sticker. So I put them on. One is on the battery with 48 volts and this is also 48 volts from the power source. So this is the old one. And this is the new one. Yeah, this one has stronger, like mechanical noise from the gearing. So I'm super happy. If this is quiet, that's great. Yeah, it's not a nylon gear because there is a lot of torque and one single nylon gear should not stay it. And yeah, we need the solution as DJI has. It has a planetary gear and the planets are 3 nylon gears, so the force is split. So that's the perfect solution, and I hope Bafang will go this way also. Okay, and I found one interesting stuff. Let me see. It's taking 1.5 amps with no load. Now let me switch it to the old one. And now the old one. .15. It's very interesting because that's a quite a big difference. The controllers are the same and also the firmware is 1.6 in both. So this looks to me like less winding, 1 turn or 2 turns. Or if somebody can explain this difference, because that's 0.3 amps, that's quite a lot for no load when motors should be the same. So if somebody knows, just comment. Thank you.